Yes, students, see this question number 11 from chapter number 15 of H.C. Verma. A particle on a stretched string supporting a traveling wave takes 5 milliseconds to move from its mean position to the extreme position. The distance between the two consecutive particles which are at their mean positions is 2 centimeter. Find the frequency, the wavelength and the wave speed. Now understand something. When we have a sinusoidal wave passing through a string, sorry, then the particles of the string are performing SHM up and down. So here the particle is performing SHM such that it takes 5 milliseconds to move from mean to extreme position. So let's understand over here. This is your mean position. This is the upper amplitude. This is the lower amplitude, right? Now when a particle is at this position, what is the time taken by it to go from mean to amplitude? In SHM, the time taken to go from mean to amplitude will be T by 4. Okay. And in the question it is given that T by 4 is equal to 5 milliseconds. Right. So time period will be how much? 20 milliseconds. So frequency will be how much? 1 by time period. So that will be equal to 1 by 20 millisecond. And if you replace millisecond with 1 second by 1000, so you get this to be equal to 50 hertz. Okay. Now what they have given that the distance between two consecutive particles which are their mean positions is 2 centimeter. So you have a wave over here like this. Okay. Then this is your one full wavelength. And when you talk about two particles consecutive to each other which are at their mean positions, then this length will be equal to lambda by 2 between them. Two particles at their mean positions, the shortest distance between them is lambda by 2. So in the question, lambda by 2 is given to be 2 centimeter. Lambda by 2 equal to 2 centimeter. So lambda equal to 4 centimeter. So that is 0.04 meter. So what is the question asking? Find the frequency, the wavelength. We found the frequency, we found the wavelength, and wave speed will be what? So wave speed will be f lambda. So frequency is 50 hertz multiplied by 0.04. So that is equal to 50. Right. So that will be equal to, yeah. This will be equal to 2 meter per second. Okay.